Welcome to this tutorial on how to queue recipes on the canvas using the queuing feature. This feature allows you to execute multiple recipes in a sequential order, helping you run data pipelines smoothly and efficiently. To get started, click on the menu icon to open the projects list. Now, select the project you want to run. This will take you to the Canvas view, where you can see all your recipes visually represented as nodes. Right-click on the first recipe node you want to execute and select Run. Simply right-click on another recipe node and select Add to Queue, or click on the recipe to open the side panel, then select Add to Queue. To view your queued recipes, click the recipe queue icon located next to the Run button. In the recipe queue, you can see detailed information for each recipe, including name, scenario, status, time triggered. You can manage your queue effortlessly. Remove a recipe from the queue using the delete icon. Reorder recipes to change their execution sequence. Click Clear All to reset the entire queue. Monitor the status of each recipe in real time using the status indicators. When a recipe is running, you'll see the status as a running, indicating the execution is in progress. If a recipe is waiting for its turn, the status shows as in queue. Once the recipe finishes successfully, you'll see the status marked as a success. If there's an issue during execution, the status will display as error. These status indicators help you track your recipe runs and manage your pipeline effectively. If you need to stop a running recipe, it's easy to do. Click the Stop button next to the running recipe to halt its execution. Alternatively, click on the recipe node to open the side panel, and then select the Stop button there. This helps you quickly manage and control your recipe execution. To access detailed logs for failed recipes, click the log icon. This helps you troubleshoot issues effectively. You can also check logs for successful recipe runs. In the Logs side panel, you have two options. Click Export to save the logs as a text file. If you want to view logs in a new tab, select Open in a new tab for better readability. That's it. With the queuing feature, you can streamline recipe execution and maintain full control over your pipeline. Try it out and boost your productivity today.